So a lot of you guys know that I'm pretty familiar with power stations. I give the RTR presentation on these things. I've had half a dozen. I've worked for a couple of the companies. And it's hard for me to get excited about a new one, but I am really excited about the new rockpals Freeman line. I'm a little confused. I thought they were all going to be LiFePO 4 battery chemistry, but maybe that's just the bigger ones. LiFePO 4 charges faster, and I was told that these charge fully in like 2 hours. So I'm going to play with it, and I'll let you know as we go. But I've already seen some things on the side that I really, really like, especially this here. It's got the USB-CD PD, USB-C PD, but it has a 60 watt max. Now my phone can charge from 0 to 100% in like 20-25 minutes, but only if I use my 60 watt charger. I'm really hoping that this will be able to charge my phone directly from its USB-C PD as fast as I can charge with the charger at home. And it has all the standard stuff, two 3.1 amp USB ports, a USB-C PD, USB-A QC. The inverter is rated at 300 with a 500 watt peak. And I just really like the green color. I don't know. I like that kind of neon green. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing here. And I've got Sarah here who's going to help me hold my phone because you have to stand on that side.
Oh.
Yeah, he's going to help me hold my phone so that because I forgot my tripod. And she has a YouTube channel. Do you want to shout out your YouTube channel?
No.
Oh, okay.
She bangerang.
As soon as I'm done here with the unboxing, I'll take it home and see how long it takes to really charge. I like the bag.
That's a nice bag.
Even in a sealed box, my dog hair still gets in there. Somehow gets on the box. Well, what's in the bag? Okay, chargers. I like that DC charger. It's already heavy duty and higher quality than most of the other DC chargers I've seen for these, so that's nice. And I guess that's an adapter for solar, maybe? If you're going to charge it off a solar panel. It's much smaller than I thought, which is nice. If you want a small power station, you want it to be small, so it's portable.
Ooh.
And I like that strap. It's much nicer than the heavy-duty hard straps and all the other ones. I wonder if it's got any juice. Usually they come pre-charged to like 30 or 40%. How do I power it on? Maybe I should have read the instructions first.
Instructions work.
There it goes, 73%. I like the display. The display is really crisp. A lot of these, the displays are kind of cheesy. These things, and it even has a temperature on the display. It's in Celsius, though. I wonder how I can turn it into Fahrenheit. I bet there's a setting.
Right there on the display button, right there.
I think that just turns the display on and off.
Oh, okay.
But maybe by holding a combination, I'm sure there's a way to do it. Pretty sure. So you got your 60 watt PD, which I'm hoping will charge my phone. I'm not sure what's with this. I know what these are, standard 3.1 amp. And of course you got your cigarette lighter plug with a much stronger dust cover. Usually these dust covers are kind of flimsy. That thing stays in there really good. And AC outlet.
Nice.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to use it before I can charge it to test how long it takes to charge. It doesn't weigh much.
How much do you think?
Maybe 10 pounds. And I really like the green color. I don't know. I just like that neon green. That's one of my favorite colors.
You're not going to lose it.
No, I'm definitely not going to lose it. Well, I don't know. I have so much stuff. I might misplace it for a while, but I'm definitely not going to lose it. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Good products out there for you guys to use.
We're using the new Freeman 300 to power the light bars for her art. And we're using the old 500 rockpals to run the set power refrigerator. And it's a big fridge freezer and it's running at no problem. We're barely down 1 bar, even though we've been running all day. You probably can't see it because it's flashing weird on the camera, but it's barely down 1 bar and we're already at 1 o'clock. Been running all day, keeping things nice and cold. We've been running lights and charging phones and all kind of things all day on this little power pack, and it's still at 40%. This is the main thing we're using it for, though, to run this LED light bar, which makes these kind of change each time the color changes. On the light bar, the color changes on the images.